Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. It's around 8 o'clock right now and I'm about to get up, start getting ready, start my day. I wanted to vlog today because I'm doing something fun that I've always wanted to do but never have, and that is go to the beach by myself. I live like an hour away from the beach, and every summer I tell myself like I'm gonna go to the beach all the time this summer, and then I never end up doing it. I literally haven't been to the beach yet this year. So I'm gonna drive down today and just chill, read a book, maybe listen to some podcasts, get some sun. I'm very excited. Also, this video is sponsored by Sunbum. I'm super excited. They have a bunch of hair care products that I've been testing out for a while now because I get so many questions about what I do with my hair and how I keep it blonde and stuff like that. So I'll be touching on that later in this video. Kitty. I am going to get started getting ready. I thought I would film kind of like a vlog style get ready with me, show you guys how I get ready for the beach, what's in my beach bag, all that kind of stuff, and then vlog a little bit when I actually go. So that's what my day is looking like. I am going to get up. I try to get like an early-ish start when I go to the beach. Prime tanning hours are 10 to 2, so trying to get there around 10. First, I am going to get up and make myself some breakfast. It's gonna have some yogurt and fruit, the usual, and some lemon water, and then I'll probably grab iced coffee on the way to the beach from like Starbucks or something. Okay guys, so I just ate my breakfast. I'm drinking my lemon water. I washed my face. I'm gonna do the rest of my skincare in a second, but I wanted to quickly talk about how I get my hair beach ready. As I said, I like to get an early start to the beach, so I don't want to be spending a ton of time in the morning like getting my hair ready, doing makeup, that kind of stuff. I kind of just want to like wake up and go. I did all of my hair prep work last night. I showered and washed my hair in the shower, which I do like twice a week-ish. The shampoo and conditioner that I've been using for a little while now, pretty much since the start of the summer, are the Sunbum shampoo and conditioner for curls and waves. I'm sure you've heard of Sunbum as like a sun protectant brand. They have like sunscreens and oils and stuff, but they actually have an amazing hair care line. Sunbum's whole hair care mantra is that beachy hair doesn't have to be like about a certain style. Their version of beachy hair is just like effortless, easy, kind of embracing your natural waves and curls, but making it the best version of your natural hair. My natural hair is pretty straight, but I can get some waves going if I try. It can also be kind of like poofy and frizzy, so I try to control that a little bit. First of all, I love these because they make my hair smell amazing. Usually shampoo and conditioner, like you smell it when you're putting it in, but then after like an hour or so the smell always fades. With this stuff, I washed it last night and my hair still smells like coconuts. It smells so summery and fresh. But besides that, I also just love the like texture that they leave my hair. If you have naturally more curly hair, I think you would also love these because it's just meant to enhance your hair and kind of smooth out any frizz. These are also vegan, sulfate free, paraben free, color safe, and they help protect your hair from UV rays, which is amazing. After I got out of the shower, I just quickly used the Sunbum detangler. This is just a quick, easy spritz all over, and then I brushed my hair out. This just obviously helps detangle and smooth out your hair. So then after, I go in with my favorite product from the line. I get a lot of questions about the color of my hair, like what I get done to it. So I get it highlighted every 12 weeks or so, and I do full highlights. It's very complicated. It takes like 5 hours every time. I'm sure you guys have heard of like purple shampoo to help enhance blonde hair and keep it from looking brassy and keeping it more icy. So this product is actually not a shampoo, but it's a blonde tone enhancer, and it's a little spray that you put on after your shampoo and conditioner. Premium color enhancing blonde leave-in hair treatment enriched with violet extract, blue spirulina, and argan oil. I put this in on my wet hair hair. I spray it all over and then kind of brush my hair out so the product's like evenly distributed. And I've been using this for about a month now, and I seriously feel like my hair is brighter and like has more of those white icy tones in it, which is what I love. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this product. If you're a blonde, you have to try this. Then I go in with a styling cream. This seems like a lot, but it literally, like, my post shower hair care routine takes maybe like 2 minutes. This makes my hair feel super hydrated. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't feel like a gel or anything. So what I do with this, it's kind of hard to explain, but I'll insert a little clip of me doing it, is I kind of like scrunch up my wet hair with my hands. I do it like 1/2 at a time, and I'll just get like a quarter size amount of this product in my hand and then work it into my hair. I find that doing this adds so many more waves to my hair than if I were to just leave it brushed out. That way I'm not using like a curling iron or any heat products on my hair. And it's just like the easiest, quickest way to get some like beachy waves going on in there, and I really like how it looks. The only thing I'm gonna add this morning is this Sunbum Anti-Frizz Oil Mist. I'm just gonna spritz a little bit of this at like the top of my hair, because as you can see, I get some crazy little flyaways up there and it's a little annoying. So this is just gonna help smooth that out. Okay, so that is pretty much my beach hair care routine. You guys can probably tell, since I don't talk about hair that much on my channel, that I'm not really into putting a lot of effort into my hair. So these products are perfect for me and anyone else who just likes that easy, effortless hair look. So now that my hair is beach ready, I'm going to do some skincare, a tiny bit of makeup. I'm not really into wearing makeup to the beach just because you're like sweating and reapplying sunscreen and stuff and it gets annoying. But I'll show you guys what I do and my outfit and everything. But I'm gonna head over to the bathroom and finish up my skincare. About to get dressed. I'm gonna be wearing this swimsuit. I got this last year at Forever 21 actually. It's a good one. And then throw these on over. These shorts are from Topshop. They're my favorite. They're the mom short. And then this shirt is from my mom made it, but I cropped it. That's the look for today. Okay. Hi, kitty. Hi. Okay. Ow. I just did all of my usual skincare. I have a whole in-depth skincare routine video on my channel if you guys want more details. But obviously SPF is very important. It's important every day, but especially at the beach. Does this happen to anyone else? My eyelids get really sunburned. It's so annoying because like I feel like most people don't have to think about putting sunscreen on their eyelids, but if I don't, they get so burnt and they're so red and weird looking, and it's just not cute. I usually don't wear any face makeup to the beach, or I just do very minimal. I am breaking out on my chin a little bit, and I kind of want to take some like selfies there. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape concealer, literally like the tiniest bit, just on my pimples. And then I'm just going to run through my brows with the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I just got this recently. I usually use a clear brow gel to set my brows, but I wanted something with a tint to it for days like this when I'm doing like a no makeup look, but I just want like a little extra like fill in to my brows, but this is obviously super quick. I have this in the shade MJ. So you can see the difference that made. They're just a little more filled in now. And obviously I have lash extensions, which are the best thing for the beach because I don't have to do anything with them besides brush them out, and it just looks amazing and makes such a difference. Okay, so just to finish off my face, I'm just gonna spray it with the Kate Somerville Makeup Setting Spray. This is SPF 50. So I'm pretty much ready to go. Now I just need to pack my bag and get all of my stuff together. So I'll show you guys my beach bag and everything that I bring with me. So I actually just got a new beach bag recently. I got it at Nordstrom, but this is the brand. I'm not sure how to say that, but it's just a clear bag and it has like these tan straps. It has short straps and a long strap as well. Bringing deodorant and this little mini perfume. Smells like limes. It smells amazing. A Mario Badescu spray in case I need to refresh my face at all throughout the day. A Laneige lip balm. I'm bringing a book. Like I said, I want to read. I haven't started this, but it's Girl Wash Your Face by Rachel Hollis. I've heard good things about it, so I'm going to start this today. I'm wearing these slides that are from Aritzia. Also bringing a couple of these scrunchies from Slip. They're the best for the beach because you can throw your hair up if it's hot and they're not gonna like leave creases in your hair. It's all sunshine today and then literally rain the rest of the week. Just got to my car. Sorry if the air is really loud, it's hot. But I just ordered Starbucks, so I'm gonna go pick that up and then we will be on our way. Hopefully the traffic's not too bad, but it's definitely going to be because it's a Saturday and it's the only nice day. And why wouldn't there be traffic? It's for sure. Got my Starbucks. The Starbucks near me doesn't have nitro yet, which is so disappointing. So I just got regular cold brew with cold foam and a splash of almond milk. It's delicious. Okay, let's go to the beach, baby. Woo! Hello guys, we're back. Solo beach day was a success. Highly recommend it. I'm feeling relaxed. I'm feeling tan. I was only there for like 3-ish hours just because, well, I have something to do, so I have to go back and shower and get ready and stuff. But also, it was like my first beach trip of the summer, so if I stayed any longer, I would be like a lobster. But my freckles are coming out. I'm just eating my pliables right now. I got an acai bowl. And then I'm going to head back. I was gonna film a drive with me on my way back, but I don't think I have enough camera battery. I'm gonna continue the vlog into tonight because at like 6-ish, Madison and I are going into the city. Literally every vlog now is like me and Madison going into the city, but it's our friend Georgia's birthday dinner tonight. May, June, and July are like big birthday months. Like I have so many birthdays. I feel like every single weekend it's someone's birthday and we're like going to the city for it. So tonight is another birthday, and so I'll show you guys the vibe and my outfit and everything. So I have to go home and shower and start getting ready for that. Making a mess. Okay, bye. I just got back home and showered, and I'm gonna start getting ready to go out now. Showering after the beach is like the best feeling, like getting all the sand off, you're all tan. Before I start my makeup and stuff, I just wanted to do a face mask because I like doing like a soothing, hydrating mask after being in the sun all day because I feel like the sun just like drains my skin and I just need something to revive it. Putting on my headband. So I'm just gonna use, this one's my favorite for after the beach. It's the Sephora Collection aloe vera mask. Obviously aloe vera is good for your skin after the sun. So I'm gonna put this on for like 15 minutes and then do my makeup and hair, and I'll show you guys the look after I finish getting ready. New location. I'm at my parents' house because Madison's about to pick me up from here to go to the train station, but I'm ready to go. I have my hair extensions in a ponytail this time to switch it up. This is the makeup. I still need to put lip gloss on, but I'm wearing this dress from Boohoo. If you saw my Boohoo haul, then you've seen this before. It's just cheetah print, and then I'm gonna throw on some black heels that I found at DSW. I found 2 pairs of really good like going out heels at DSW. They were like $40 each, and they're amazing. I have a black pair and a nude pair. I highly recommend checking out your local DSW because they have good stuff. But I'm not taking my camera with me as always, so I'll try to get some phone footage, and yeah, that's it.